Hello viewers, hope you're fine and hello to my most creative friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are turning scrap fabric into something truly magic. Don't throw away those leftover fabric pieces because we are going to transform them into stunning and Christmas craft that bring joy, mindfulness and beauty of your home. The project is perfect for eco-friendly crafting, family fun and adding on your touch of love and creativity to the holiday season. We hope you like the video, so please stay tuned with us and watch the video till the end. Before we begin, let's talk about what actually we will need. Collect your scrap fabric, cotton lace, jute denim and old shirt piece. Get the scissor, glue and needle and thread, some buttons, ribbons and sequins, and of course a little imagination and Christmas spirit. The beauty of the project, every small piece of fabric tell a story. That old red dress, it become a star. That green scarf, it's turned into a teeny Christmas tree. Nothing goes to waste, everything transforms into a beautiful home decoration on your upcoming Christmas event. Let's start with our first design, a mini Christmas tree made entirely from scarf fabrics, cut fabrics, strip of different light length from longer to shorter, like tree branches. Layer them on a small stick to form triangle shapes. Glue or stitch them one over another. Add a small golden ribbon or a button star at the top. You can even hang these on your wall, tree or a gift box. It smells great if you use natural fabric or cinnamon and bring a cozy mindful energy to your space. Next, let's make fabric ornaments for your Christmas tree. Cut circle, hearts or star shapes out of your leftover fabric. Place two pieces together. Fill with a little cotton and old stuffing. Stitch around the edges. New edge, maybe teeny braid, lace or even handwritten fabric. Tag with word with joy, love, peace. These ornaments are lightweight, beautiful and carry a sense of Christmas when you create them. Perfect for the mindfulness crafting. You can hang on your walls, your doors. Our third idea is Christmas garlands. So simple yet so festive. Take long fabric strip, twist them and lie little bow onto a string of fairy lights. You can use alternative color, red, white and of course traditional color, golden, white, classic look, or pastel tones for a soft modern style. Hang it across your material and your crafting table. Every time you look at you feel proud of your creativity and the joy of your recycling. Christmas craft is not just about decoration, it's about connection. When you create these items, take a deep breath and enjoy each moment. Feel the texture of the fabric, the rhythm of attaching and stitching. It's a small act of mindfulness. Invite your kids, your family, your friends, and join him. Let them cut glue and design their own ornaments. It's a wonderful way to spend quality time together, laugh and build memories that last longer than any store bought gift. We hope you like the video. If you like, so please must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and more videos. And I always state is thank for your support. God bless you all.